what we are trying to bring out of this matter is justice. Justice for Timothy is justice for all Nigerians.
So hi, hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Oluwakemi. My brand name is Kemposh. So I welcome you. I hope you guys are doing great. I'm bringing an update concerning Adegoke's story that I'll be talking about. Just like I said, I promised I'm going to be bringing updates for you guys. I don't want you to miss anything because we're following this case bumper to bumper to see how it's going to end, you know, because we know where we're from, Nigeria, a place that justice is very difficult to serve. So we're waiting and we're following this story. Okay, I know I posted a video yesterday telling you guys about the autopsy and telling you guys about Dr. Rahman, his murderer, the alleged murderer, yes, since it's not confirmed yet by law, okay, but we know all that happened. Okay, so I was telling you guys that he was granted bail because he wanted to go and take care of himself. Okay, so I'm just coming back today to give you all the details as it's unfolding. I want you guys to see what is going on. Okay, so before I go further, quickly subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Thank you so much for doing that. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can always be notified when I make a new video. And to everyone that have subscribed, I see you guys subscribing. God bless you. Thank you so much. And so today, I want to let you know, guys, that Dr. Rahman is not granted no bail. So, and I'm going to play the video and the clip for you to see. So, but he's not granted no bail, okay? It's all just rumor. Okay? I'm so upset about BBC Yoruba News. Sometimes I look at them as if they are like supporting this incident. They were the one that interviewed the police woman that said there's nothing missing in Adegoke's body, that everything is complete, okay? They were also the one that carried the story. BBC has just been carrying this story somehow. Okay, they be carrying the story that I don't know where they are. I don't know the part where they are, and it's very, very shameful. Okay, because I think that a news outlet, a media outlet like BBC Yoruba should be able to do the right thing and carry the right story. Okay, if you're not clear or you're not sure of it, why don't you just hold on and get all your evidence put together before you're going to be carrying the news. So they be carrying this news, and I'm just so upset with them. They're also the one that talked about Dr. Rahman has been granted bail because he needed to go and take care of himself. Actually, they interviewed his lawyer, which I will play the video for you guys to see where the lawyer was talking to BBC Yoruba and saying that Dr. Rahman has been allowed to go and take care of himself, has been allowed to go and take care of his body because he needs to take care of his body. He has a high blood pressure and whatever for how many years, and since they're still finding out this investigation, they've not confirmed he's the one that actually murdered Adegoke. It's better to allow him to take care of himself before anything happens. Why the real person will now be confirmed. I don't know who is the real person. Maybe himself as a lawyer is going to be the real person that is going to be whole responsible for this case. Okay.
So sugar láti bí ogún ọdún tó ti ní ẹ̀jẹ̀ ríru láti nǹkan tí lọ bí ọgbọ̀n ọdún tí wọn ò bá tètè mójútó tó bá kú sí ìhámọ́ tó wá di lẹ́yìn ìgbà náà tá a wá rí wípé bóyá kò mọ nǹkan kan nípa ẹ̀sùn tí àtòrí ẹ̀ dé mọ́ ìhámọ́ ṣe mọ̀ pé a kàn pàdánù lásán ni ìtumọ̀ yẹn máa jẹ́. So ìyẹn ni nǹkan méjì tá a bẹ̀rẹ̀ lọ́wọ́ ilé ẹjọ́ nínú kí wọ́n fi ilẹ̀ ìdìgbà tí wọ́n ṣetán láti fẹ̀sùn kàn tàbí kí wọ́n fún láàyè láti lọ gba ìtọ́jú tó péye torí pé ní nǹkan bíi ọjọ́ 24 oṣù kọkànlá ọjà yìí bàbá náà ṣubú lulẹ̀ ní inú ìhámọ́ àwọn ọlọ́pàá nígbà tí wọ́n ṣì wà lóṣogbo kí wọ́n tó gbé dìgbàdìgbà lọ sí ilé ìtọ́jú àwọn ọlọ́pàá tó ń pè ní police clinic ní òkè fíà. ṣùgbọ́n irú ìtọ́jú wo ni wọ́n fẹ́ fún bẹ̀ yẹn bàbá náà ti joro tán ilé ẹjọ́ wá gbọ́ ìbéèrè wa lónìí ó sì sọ pé kí wọ́n fún láàyè láti lọ tọ́jú ara rẹ̀ torí pé òkú òkì ń dáhùn ẹ̀sùn.
nǹkan tí ẹ̀ ń sọ wáyé ni pé nínú méjì tẹ́ béèrè níwájú ilé ẹjọ́ yẹn eléyìí tán fọwọ́ sí ni pé kí wọ́n lọ gba ìtọ́jú ṣé níbi tó wù wọ́n ni àbí níbi tí àwọn ọlọ́pàá fẹ́.
níbi tó wù wọ́n ni o torí ilé ìwòsàn ìjọba mélòó ló ń tọ́jú tọ́jú àwọn èèyàn dáadáa tó látàrí eléyìí níbi tí ó wù wọ́n tí wọ́n ti rí ìtọ́jú tó pé nígbà wọn ó ti rí ìtọ́jú tó péye ibẹ̀ ni ilé ẹjọ́ ní kí wọ́n fún wọn láàyè láti lọ gba ìtọ́jú. níta béèrè fún ni pé béèlì ìyẹn la túmọ̀ sí pé kí wọ́n tú sílẹ̀ títí dí kó máa lọ títí dìgbà tí wọ́n ṣetán láti fẹ̀sùn kàn tàbí ni nídàkejì àbèrè méjèèjì papọ̀ tàbí kí wọ́n fún láàyè kó lọ gba ìtọ́jú títí dìgbà tí wọ́n gbọ́ ẹjọ́ táwa gbé wá. tó báyìí sì ẹjọ́ tí àwa gbé wá sílé ẹjọ́ ni wípé kílé ẹjọ́ túlẹ̀ tí wọ́n bá rí ẹ̀sùn kankan fi kàn án ṣùgbọ́n ilé ẹjọ́ ò tí ì ní gbọ́ yẹn báyìí.
a gbọ́ pé wọ́n ní autopsy ti jáde.
Because I don't know what the lawyer is saying, okay? I can vividly tell you guys that as I am here, there's nothing that is changing my mind concerning this story. I already know what happened, because why I keep saying that is because of some alibi, okay? Some alibi that we have seen, okay? Number one is, how can 37 years grown man lodge in a hotel of such a Hilton or whatever, of that kind of hotel, and you guys just buried him without any official report? Is it done anywhere? Okay, Dr. Rahman is educated, and with his level of exposure, just like I said in my last video, how can that kind of thing happen right where he is, at the place of his business, where he's eating, where he's doing everything? Where, you know, how can it happen? So you mean you keep some management, some group of people that are working with you that can do this kind of evil to bury someone without your knowledge? So they went to bury this man, this Adegoke, you know. They say he died natural death. It's the same lawyer that claimed that Adegoke died natural death. Can you guys imagine? He died natural death. Then why did you guys go and bury him without any official report? Just like I said, it's the first thing for me to know that this story is not whatever they're going to come out with. I know what is in my mind, and I know what I already believe. The second thing is, when they get to the hotel, just like I said in my last video, and they claim they didn't even see him. Okay, they say he didn't even lodge there. It was after when they see the transaction he made, the money he paid 37,000 to the receptionist account. And the lady started saying, oh, yes, it's true. Yes, he paid, and he said he left. We didn't see him. Why all this lie? The lodger's book, where his name is originally written, remember, they've changed it. They doctored it, okay? They changed the name, and I said, you know, but thank God the receptionist that was arrested has the original copy, because the original copy by snapping the picture, because she said because of some incident that has been happening in the hotel that is making them to be arguing over maybe who lodging or who does not lodge, or account balance or whatever, that because of that she used to take the picture of the lodger's book in case of anything, for her to just have that one with her. Okay. After they arrested her at the police custody, you remember the police got the ledger book, and she find out that the name of Adegoke name is no more in the original one. They already doctored it. So this is another one for me to believe. And the last thing is, why did Adegoke's son disappear? He ran away since we can't see him. Okay, why? And remember, they went to their channel on YouTube where Adegoke's son was interviewed sometime back, just like I said in my last video. I'm not making repetition here. I just want you guys to keep following me. And they went and removed the interview video that was there. That's been there for some months, for about a year, or more than a year. They took it down. So what are they scared of? Okay, so some people will now say, yes, don't let your emotion overtake you. Excuse me, my emotion will overtake me. Okay, stop saying that, because if you are heartless, I am not heartless. If you feel not concerned because it's not you that this thing happened to, I feel concerned. Okay, I don't know Adegoke nowhere. I don't know who he is. I am not from Osun, whatever. But I put myself in the shoes of everything that was happening. Okay, putting myself in the shoe of his wife, of his sister, of his aged mom and dad. Do you guys see those old parents? Okay, and for Adegoke not to relent and working hard and try everything he could, okay, to be the best person he could, okay, taking care of his wife, his kid, his mom, his dad, and his sibling. And someone just feel they can cut his life short just for their own selfish and ritual purpose, okay? Ritual benefit. And someone said, okay, don't let your emotion, excuse me, my emotion is going to take me because this is barbaric and it's terrible. Somebody shouldn't walk into a hotel, a place that's supposed to be a hospitality place, where you are supposed to rest and carry out your business as normal, you're nowhere to be found. Okay, that is not acceptable. It's totally not acceptable. Adegoke, late Adegoke, was not doing anything wrong. He was doing everything right at that time, not hurting no one, and they just felt that this is good for them to kill. So I will allow my emotion to overtake me very well. Okay, if you are heartless, and again I need you guys to I want to tell you guys, if you are opportune to see Adegoke lifeless body lying on the oh my God, if you are opportune to see Adegoke lifeless body, no matter how hardened heart you are, you will weep. My dear, I couldn't sleep. I saw it. I was not able to sleep. I was so upset. I actually made a video, but I refused to post the video because in that video, my emotion was so high because I felt it. I wept and I cried. I'm telling you guys, if you have opportunity to see his lifeless body, you will cry. And you will never wish whoever that is involved to have peace. Okay? And we are on it. Justice must be served for Adegoke, because justice for Adegoke is justice for everyone. I need you guys to know Nigeria should be a safe place. We all have to work together to make Nigeria a safe place. We all have to do our own part, okay, of whatever that is necessary, that is expected of us to do. We must do it. We must live a better Nigeria, because I don't even believe in the country anymore, because all this atrocity is terrible. It's terrible. So I need you guys to know that Adegoke is not granted no bail, or he is allowed to take care of himself, meaning that if he's not healthy or he's sick or whatever, based on his medical whatever, they can come and take care of him. His doctor can come, but he is not released. There's not any bail that was granted, okay, based on the claim that was going everywhere. He's not granted no bail. He is still in the police. He's still in the police custody. Okay, he is a victim, and as of now, he is not clear from this. Okay, his son is nowhere to be found. He wants to be released so that he can run away the way his son ran away. You guys know the son has run away since. He wants to be released. That's what they do. He's slumped, he's sick, he has blood pressure. When they steal all our money, when they do all their bad things, they will come to say, I want to go and take care of myself. I cannot breathe. I want to, so that opportunity for them to run away. So Adegoke is there at the police custody. In fact, he's gonna be there till next year, February. So I need you guys to know that Adegoke is going to be enjoying his December, his New Year, the end of the year. He's going to be celebrating it at the police custody. As of now, I'm giving you the story, and I'm going to put Hamzat Oriyomi. I'm going to put the video now for you to hear it from him, because Hamzat is our president. What I mean by president, I give him kudos. I respect him, okay? I loved him because of this good job he's doing. I don't know him from nowhere. I have no connection with Oriyomi, but just see him on Facebook and see how he's working every day concerning this issue, okay? I am so proud of him. And whatever that is coming out of his mouth, that's what I believe, that's what I follow, and that's where I am. I'm going to put his video so that you guys will listen. I just want you to know that this is what is happening. I am heartbroken. It's not acceptable. It's not fair, okay, for someone to be killed like that, to be murdered like that for no reason. Everyone that partake in this must pay for it. God will fetch them out. No matter how they turn things around in Nigeria, no matter how they try to cover it up, it must be revealed. Okay, the truth must be revealed. Justice must be served. Okay, it must be served for Adegoke. That's what I want you guys to know. And I love you. I'll come back again. I'll put the video link there. You guys will listen, and you will listen to Oriyomi Hamzat and all the details from him. Please, let's keep working together. Let's keep supporting Oriyomi Hamzat for this good job he's doing. God will protect and keep all of us from evil. Don't come and tell me I should work on my emotion. Okay, there's no any emotion that is taking over me. I am doing the right thing as a human being that I am. Feeling bad for someone that has not done anything, and what they did is just to murder him in cold blood. Yes, thank you so much. God bless you. I'll see you again.
I have to come on here for this brief show. Mo láwọn nǹkan tí mo fẹ́ clarify láàrin ìṣẹ́jú díẹ̀ kí n jùlẹ̀ tí mi ò bá dẹ̀ gbọ́ nǹkan kan mọ́ lénìí lórí ẹ̀ a mọ̀ wípé a ti ṣe tèmi nìyẹn a tún máa retí látọ̀dọ̀ wọn lọ́la ní agbára Ọlọ́run. alákọ̀ọ́kọ́ ni pé àmọ́ ibi tí Adédoyin wà wọ́n ti rìlíìsì Adédoyin, àwọn ilé ẹjọ́ ti ní kí wọ́n fa Adédoyin lẹ̀, wọ́n rìlíìsì Adédoyin, tọlọ́pàá ni Adédoyin wà, wọ́n ti ní wọ́n máa gbé lọ. ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ èèyàn ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní sọ oríṣiríṣi ọ̀rọ̀, ṣùgbọ́n àwọn nǹkan kan tí mo fẹ́ ká kọ́kọ́ mọ̀ nìyí. ẹ̀yin ọmọ Nàìjíríà tẹ́ wà jákèjádò àgbáyé, àwọn information wa á ń láti ṣọ́ra pẹ̀lú ẹ̀ for now. reason tá a ṣe láti ṣọ́ra pẹ̀lú information wa lórí ọ̀rọ̀ Timothy ó ní wípé wọ́n ní àáyá gbọ́n Ògúngbè gbọ́n, àáyá ń tiro Ògúngbè ń bẹ̀rẹ̀. Adédoyin àti àwọn comrades ẹ̀, àwọn tó ń ṣiṣẹ́ fún àti àwọn tó ń ṣiṣẹ́ fún Abdulrahim ọmọ Adédoyin wọ́n jáfáfá púpọ̀ ní orí ẹ̀rọ ayélujára. lẹ́yìn tí wọ́n ti gbìyànjú láti mú ẹ̀rọ ayélujára Oríyọmí Hamzat balẹ̀ tí Ọlọ́run fún wọn ṣe, tí wọn ò dẹ̀ rí tẹ̀ lórí ba fún ìfẹ́ inú wọn, wọ́n gbìyànjú wọ́n ṣe nǹkan míì, nǹkan míì tí wọ́n ṣe ni pé lórí show tí mò ń ṣe yìí wọ́n ti dórí ẹ̀ báyìí. tí mo bá ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ show tó bá ti ní ṣe pẹ̀lú tiwọn, wọ́n á sáré wá, àwọn náà wọ́n ti follow wa. tán bá ti rí show yẹn, tán bá ti dé, wọ́n á bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní post negative comment, wọ́n á máa fabricate lies, wọ́n á máa sọ nǹkan tá a sọ tẹ́lẹ̀, wọ́n á fẹ́ kìlì nǹkan tá a gbé lọ́wọ́. ẹlòmíì inú wọn á wá gẹ́gẹ́ bí elite, ó lè máa advice wa wípé ká jẹ́ kí law take stand ẹ̀, ká jẹ́ kí òfin ṣiṣẹ́, ká má jẹ́ kí emotion control wa. Let me put the record straight. From the beginning of this matter, I have never for once allowed my emotion to control me. I allow my profession to control me professionally. So the ethics of the job I am doing, I hold on to it from the beginning of this show. Mi ò gbàgbé wípé mi ò gbọ́dọ̀ allow emotion kó control me. So for that reason, ẹ kọ́kọ́ lọ gbé yẹn lẹ̀, emotion kọ́ ló ń control wa. But we cannot rule out emotion on a show like this. We cannot rule out emotion completely on a show like this, because only an animal, someone that is not a human being, will just be following this particular show without allowing his or her emotion to take part on the show. Tí emotion àwa tá ń wo kò bá wà, tí ò bá function, tí ò bá exist, ní máa load data kẹ́ tètè máa wò kẹ́ fẹ́ mọ ibi tó kí ló tún ṣẹlẹ̀ bó ló máa já sí. So we cannot rule emotion out totally on a program or on an incident that affects human's life. So in fact ọlọ́pàá gan tọ́lọ́pàá bá ṣiṣẹ́ kò ní jẹ́ kí emotion control òun ni lórí matter yìí, ó máa allow emotion kó live. Torí ẹni tó bá ti pa emotion ẹ̀ lórí irú matter yìí, irú wọn là ń sọ pé wọ́n ti jẹ heart wọn lẹ́rìí ọkàn. Ẹni tí emotion ẹ̀ ò bá active, tí ò ṣiṣẹ́ lórí matter yìí, irú àwọn yẹn ó ní wọ́n lè dá ọ̀rọ̀ nù anyhow, ó ní wọ́n lè tọ́jú autopsy report, ó ní wọ́n lè fabricate autopsy report, ó ní wọ́n lè máa fabricate lies, kán máa block ẹni tó bá ń expose iṣẹ́ burúkú, kán máa sọ ọ̀rọ̀ burúkú fún ẹni tí ó bá ń try láti tàn mọ́lẹ̀ síbi tọ́rọ̀ dé dúró lórí ikú Timothy. Ẹ má jẹ́ kí n tàn yín, tó bá yẹ pé emotion ló máa control mi ni, tí mo bá ṣe ètò ìṣẹ́jú méjì, ó yẹ kí n ṣépè ìṣẹ́jú kan àbọ̀ kí n wá sọ̀rọ̀ fún 30 seconds tó kù ni. Nítorí pé I'm also a human being, ẹ̀jẹ̀ ló ń flow nínú veins mi, èmi náà bímọ, èèyàn kan ló bí èmi náà. Èyàn ó imagine pé tó bá so ní ńkọ́, èyàn á imagine tó bá ṣe bí èèyàn ní ńkọ́. Ẹ ti ẹ̀jẹ̀ á gbà wípé àti ìrí autopsy report. Ìbéèrè tí mo fẹ́ béèrè nígbà tí lọ́ọ̀yà Timothy, lọ́ọ̀yà Adédoyin tó ń pòyì court, wọ́n lọ court ní ọ̀sẹ̀ tí a ṣẹ̀lú tán ẹ̀, wọ́n tún lọ court lánàá. Wọ́n insist pé kí court ó grant bail fún Adédoyin kó máa lọ lé. tó bá yẹ pé èèyàn ni wá lóòótọ́ á wà béèrè pé ok lórí ọ̀rọ̀ tó tiẹ̀ wá lẹ̀ gan with or without autopsy so ẹ k'Adédoyin lọlé with or without autopsy so ẹ k'Adédoyin lọlé let's ask ourselves ẹ já bira wa now with or without autopsy so ẹ k'Adédoyin lọlé adájọ́ tó lọ́ọ̀yà tó ń gbé Adédoyin káàkiri tó ń gbé kó máa lọlé ó ti gbàgbé wípé criminal case ni and it has not been established pé kò ń s'Adédoyin in all facts tó wà lọ́wọ́ ẹ ṣeun ẹ dá like bó ẹ dá love bó wọ́n ti dé wọ́n ti ń flog ẹ̀ wọ́n ti ń report ẹ̀ ẹ dá like bó ẹ dá love bó wọ́n ti ń report ẹ̀ wọ́n ti ń flag ẹ̀ ẹ dá like bó ẹ dá love bó ẹ dá comment bó ẹ jẹ́ kí Facebook rí i pé ẹni bí làwọn tó ń flag show yìí so a wá béèrè pé so ẹ k'Adédoyin lọlé torí àti rí kankan bóyá tó bá jẹ́ pé Adédoyin kọ́ ló pa Timothy tó yẹ pé ọmọ Adédoyin ló pa ìyẹn Abdulrahim ta ló lè ràn wá lọ́wọ́ láti rí ọmọ Adédoyin bí ò bá já Adédoyin so ẹ dá k'Adédoyin lọlé mo tẹnumọ́ kankan ó dàbí ìsọkúsọ mi ti gbọ́ kankan pa ẹ̀ àti ìṣiṣẹ́ lórí kọ́ lọ ọ̀gá Adédoyin so ẹ k'Adédoyin lọlé kọ́ lọ ọ̀gá Adédoyin kọ́ lọ ọ̀gá àwọn yòókù tí wọ́n mú so ìdílé ẹjọ́ bá lè f'Adédoyin lẹ̀ ṣé torí pé àwọn tó kù yẹn receptionists and others ṣé torí pé wọ́n lówó ni àbí wọ́n léèyàn is it not on this same matter ni wọ́n ti àwọn náà mọ́lé fún ìyẹn àwọn ìtẹ́pẹ̀ láàfáà yẹn tó mú fóònù ẹni ẹlẹ́ni àti receptionist nígbà 200,000 ẹ jẹ́ abira wa náà káfárí ikú káyẹ̀sọ́ àkàlà kádẹ́kànnàkàn bú ọmọ àti òró sí ní borílẹ̀-èdè yìí jẹ́ bóòlù náà kí ti sorí tọ́bọ̀ ṣe so ẹ̀yin fámílì àwọn tó kù tí wọ́n kó ẹ̀ sì fọwọ́ lẹ́rán ẹ wá rò pé t'Adédoyin bá jáde yóò mọ̀ ṣiṣẹ́ fáwọn ọmọ yín àbí yóò travel out ni he won't be available again he's looking for ways to escape like his son ọmọ ẹ náà ti escape this is not a matter of emotion ẹ jẹ́ ká jọ analyse ẹ̀ fúnra wa ṣé kí bọ̀bọ̀ ìkú dànù kó kú gbé ni it could be anybody ẹ tí ò bá kàn lé ní òmẹ tí ó kàn lọ́la náà it could be anybody àwọn èèyàn ti kú lẹ́ni wọ́n ti kú tó pọ̀ àwọn èèyàn kẹ́wọ́ pé struggle ti kọjá kú èèyàn kan ṣoṣo struggle ti kọjá kú Timothy nìkan ṣoṣo but what you are trying to say what you are trying to bring out of this matter is justice for Timothy is justice for all Nigerians justice for Timothy it will reduce these ritual people that are using human flesh human blood for money yóò díwà burúkú ikú tabari justice for Timothy even kó má jáde Adédoyin ló pa kọjọ́ ọmọ rẹ̀ tí wọ́n sọ ló pa kí òun náà fojú winá òfin yóò jẹ́ kí kírù kan báyìí dínkù láwùjọ that is what we are saying anybody tó bá mọ̀ pé ó ń kàwé ó mọ̀wé ó mọ̀ journalism jù wá lọ anybody tó bá mọ̀ pé ó ń kàwé ó mọ̀wé ó mọ̀fin jù wá lọ use that your professionalism the journalism tó mọ̀ ju áńgẹ́lì tó dálẹ̀ lọ use it for justice ẹni tó bá mọ̀ pé ó mọ̀fin lórí matter yìí use it for justice ẹ̀yin professionals ẹ̀yin pathologists come and use it for justice àwọn èèyàn fi yé mi pé òkú 10 years tẹ́ bá fẹ́ mọ irú ikú tó pa lábúrọ̀dù they will know tó bá jẹ́ pé owó ni arẹ́dì láti contribute owó fún ẹbí Adédoyin arẹ́dì láti contribute owó fún ẹbí Adédoyin èmi gan ò fowó lẹ̀ màá jẹ́ kẹ́ rí iye tí mo fi lẹ̀ fún ẹbí arẹ́dì láti contribute owó fún ẹbí Timothy arẹ́dì láti contribute owó láti gbé Timothy kúrò Nàìjíríà gbé lọ sí abroad lọ ṣe autopsy wọ́n ní fún tilẹ̀ pọ̀ wọ́n ní àwọn ìfúnnú ẹ̀ wọ́n ní ó ti ń jẹrà kò lè jẹ́ káwọn mọ bó ṣe yẹ kó wà ṣé ojú tí a fi ń wo ilẹ̀ yìí náà fi ń wo ni mo rò pé ní machine tẹ́ fi ń wo la fi ń pè yín ní pathologist la fi ń pè yín ní expert ní láì yẹn nìyà mo rò pé ẹni tẹ́ fi ń wo la fi lè lọ gbéṣẹ́ yẹn fún surgical doctor tó fi jẹ́ pé pathologist là ń gbé fún ni mo rò pé yìí ní tẹ́ fi ń wo la fi lè gbé fún journalist tó fi jẹ́ pé journalist ń ṣiṣẹ́ tiẹ̀ bó ṣe ń ṣe yìí kẹ́yìn náà bá a ṣe yẹn ní area yẹn so ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa number 1 ẹ máa rí àwọn messages kan wọ́n lè máa sọ̀rọ̀ orí burúkú ọ̀rọ̀ oríṣiríṣi sórí Yomi they can call me names they can say anything wọ́n lè that's the propaganda nítòkù tó fẹ́ ṣe nìyẹn just to make sure that the matter died naturally as usual just to make sure that we are unable to struggle further for this cause they will discourage you, you will be reduced. Iye àwọn tó ń follow matter yìí máa reduce. Bí mo ṣe rí pé ẹ ti ń reduce báyìí, ó ti ń rẹ̀ wá, that is human being for you. Mo tún ti ní ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ lọ́wọ́ tí mo ní mi ò lè kokún gúnwọ́ lẹ́ẹ̀kan náà. We have to finish this one. Tá a bá ṣàṣeyọrí lórí eléyìí, kí ló máa fún wa assurance pé ìmí ìtẹ́tún fẹ́ ká ṣe yẹn máa ṣàṣeyọrí lórí ẹ̀. I am ready. I will take part financially. I will put down what I have. Ìwọ̀n tèmi náà ní láti fly òkú Timothy outside Nigeria. Tó bá jẹ́ pé report yìí nìyẹn pé trauma lọ́pàá o, ṣùgbọ́n you cannot be certain of the kind of trauma that killed Timothy. You should be certain. You should be certain. You should be able to bail us out of our state of dilemma. We are confused. Gbogbo ala wa confused. Ẹ̀yin nìkan lè unravel confusion wa. Ẹ̀yin nìkan lè fún wa ní fact pé tó ṣẹlẹ̀ gangan ni. The pathologist, please, we need volunteer pathologists. Please, we need them. Give us ẹ jẹ́ ká fi matter is a case study. Ẹ jẹ́ kẹ́rù máa bà wọ́n tó bá ti fẹ́ ṣerú ẹ̀. Ẹ jẹ́ kí gbogbo àwọn tó ń sọ pé kò sẹ́ni tí ó máa wọn kán rí pé wọ́n ó mú àwọn tó lè mú àwọn wà. Then another thing tí mo fẹ́ ká wò, ẹ jẹ́ á dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ ilé ẹjọ́ tí wọ́n lọ. SAN lọ lóòótọ́, SAN ní Adédoyin gbà, SAN ló gbà kó bóun fight battle yìí. Àwọn lọ́yà kóra wọn lọ ilé ẹjọ́, wọ́n ń sọ fún adájọ́ pé kádájọ́ pàṣẹ fún iléeṣẹ́ ọlọ́pàá kí iléeṣẹ́ ọlọ́pàá ó fi Adédoyin sílẹ̀ kó máa lọ nítorí pé ara rẹ̀ ò yá, kí ọlọ́pàá máa ṣe investigation wọn lọ bọ̀ kádédoyin máa lọ. Adédoyin fẹ́ lọ lo oògùn fún ẹ̀jẹ̀ ríru rẹ̀ tó ní, ó dẹ̀ fẹ́ lọ lo oògùn fún diabetics, ìtọ̀ ṣúgà tó ní. Bọ̀ kí ló tó pé àwọn èèyàn wọ̀nyí, àwọn èèyàn ńláńlá yìí, àwọn olówó, àwọn olóṣèlú, àwọn tí wọ́n kówó jẹ, àwọn ọ̀bàyéjẹ́ kan tó bá ti mú wọn báyìí ni wọ́n máa ń sick. Wọ́n á dẹ̀ make sure pé wọ́n perfect record wọn, wọ́n á lọ gboríṣiríṣi wá, wọ́n lè mú record kan wá láti hospital pé àwọn tí ń tọ́jú wọn látọdún 10, látọgbọ̀n ọdún sẹ́yìn. Kí ló dé? Wọ́n á mú yẹn lọ court láti confuse adájọ́, don't let me call that convinced, láti confuse ìdájọ́, láti favour ẹni tó dáná ní time yẹn. Àti rírú ẹ̀ náà, wọ́n ti slump tán ṣubú lulẹ̀ níwájú adájọ́ náà lẹ́yìn tán bá kó owó bítíbitì owó Nàìjíríà tán bá kó jẹ tán, wọ́n ṣubú níwájú adájọ́. Ọlọ́pàá àwọn àmọ́ pé olè lọ́lọ́pàá torí pọ́gbà 20 naira bí kan, olè ní kíní kan. Pathologist autopsy report lágbà tí, autopsy report lọ jáde tí, olè sí lọ́lọ́pàá. Tọ́lọ́pàá ní ọlọ́pàá ló ṣe autopsy ní ọ̀wá náà ẹ wá kọ gbogbo ẹ̀, ẹ kàn wá kọ gbogbo ẹ̀, àwa mọ̀mọ́, à ń gbọ́ tọ̀tún, à ń gbọ́ tòsì, àwa mọ the real result gangan. Àwọn kan tún wá gbé story jáde pé wọ́n ní o ìfúnlẹ̀pọ̀ o, ìfúnjẹra o, àwọn ò lè mọ̀. Can you imagine? Journalists ń gbowó for propaganda, journalists ń gbowó for image laundry, journalists ń gbowó láti mú ẹni tó ṣàìdá kúrò nínú ìgbèkùn torí àpò tiẹ̀. Rìsọ́ọ̀tì autopsy àríbọ̀rọ̀. Àwọn ọlọ́pàá tún wá ṣiṣẹ́, adájọ́ tún wá adájọ́ ní kí Adédoyin sì wà lọ́dọ̀ ọlọ́pàá torí pé mo ti ń rí oríṣiríṣi ìròyìn, mo dẹ̀ ń gbọ́ adájọ́ ẹgbọ́ o, ìtadájọ́ sọ ní o, adájọ́ ní kí Adédoyin kó sì wà lọ́dọ̀ ọlọ́pàá. Adájọ́ ò gba bẹ́ẹ̀lì Adédoyin o, adájọ́ ò nìkan gbé Adédoyin travel out o, ó ní kí Adédoyin kó sì wà lọ́dọ̀ ọlọ́pàá. Ṣùgbọ́n o, kí lè ṣe ọlọ́pàá ó fún Adédoyin láǹfààní láti tọ́jú ara rẹ̀. Mínì mo ti rí èèyàn kan bàdàn bí wọ́n pè lólóṣèlú, níbi ìjà òṣèlú ó sàlé ó ṣe gbogbo ẹ̀, wọ́n mú nínú ìwé ìtàn, wọ́n mú wọ́n tì mọ́lé, ó padà kú sẹ́wọ̀n. Nígbà tó kú sẹ́wọ̀n tí wọ́n lọ sí, wọ́n tún so handcuff mọ́ sàárè rẹ̀. Ìgbà tó lo ẹ̀wọ̀n rẹ̀ pé ni wọ́n tó tú handcuff níbi sàárè rẹ̀. Olóṣèlú ńlá ni níbàdàn yìí. Tó bá yẹ pé wọ́n fẹ́ tọ́jú Adédoyin, ó ní kí ló dé tí àwọn lọ́ọ̀yà àwọn àbúrò Adédoyin tí wọ́n ń disturb ọlọ́pàá ẹ̀fẹ̀ká Adédoyin ó kú. Adédoyin dàgbà ju Timothy lọ náà. Kì í sọ ọmọ kékeré, àní kó kú. Àwa náà pé kó kú, òfin ò ní kó kú síbẹ̀ yẹn, òfin ò ní kó pa, but òfin ní kó investigate. òfin tó ní ká investigate náà ni adájọ́ sọ wípé okay ẹlára rẹ̀ ọ̀yá àbí taking òfin ò ní ká pa ṣùgbọ́n òfin ní ká investigate òfin tó wá ní ká investigate yẹn ẹ jẹ́ káwọn ọlọ́pàá máa investigate lọ a lè gba bẹ́ẹ̀lì Adédoyin yóò sì wà pẹ̀lú àwọn ọlọ́pàá ṣùgbọ́n gbogbo ìgbà tó bá fẹ́ gbà tọ́jú ọlọ́pàá ṣe tán ọlọ́pàá gbọ́dọ̀ fún láàyè láti gbà tọ́jú. Now ẹ lọ fún lóògùn tádédoyin bá fẹ́ lóògùn ẹ lọ fún lóògùn wọn ò ní ẹ má mọ oògùn wá ẹ lọ fún lóògùn tó bá ní ẹ má mọ oògùn tí ó lò wá ìní ẹjẹ gbọ́ ṣùgbọ́n àròlé-iṣẹ́ ọlọ́pàá ayé yóò ní bàjẹ́ àwọn oògùn ìbílẹ̀ nǹkan àwọn bí ẹ̀rọ kìnnì kan tá a ṣe afẹ́ ṣe kìnnì kan oògùn ìbílẹ̀ ni máa ń wò mo rò pé oògùn ìbílẹ̀ òfin òrìnà rí bófin ẹ ṣe é mọ̀ wípé wọ́n náà yàn lóògùn èèyàn kú bófin ò ṣe fara mọ́ wọ́n máa lo àwọn oògùn tó bá jẹ mọ́ ìjẹ́ ní ṣe wọ́n lọ́sibítù kí dókítà ó sì mọ sáyẹ̀nsì pò ló fún wọn lóògùn kẹjẹ wọn máa lò lọ tẹ́ bá sì ní wọ́n gbé wọn lọ hospital ẹ jẹ́ kọ́lọ́pàá ó lọ jókòó tì wọ́n lọ hospital kí wọ́n ó gbébọn lọ tó bá ṣe pé méjì lẹ́ ń lò kí wọ́n ó lo mẹ́rin ó sì tún á jí ọlọ́pàá tó bá mọ bí ṣe máa rí ẹni ó bá lo àfẹ́ẹ̀rí tẹ́pẹ́ tó bá de sí wọ́n àwọn ń tá a béèrè nu ayé yóò ní bàjẹ́ ẹ̀yin ọlọ́pàá ayé yóò ní bàjẹ́ ẹ̀yin ọlọ́pàá ayé yóò ní bàjẹ́ ẹ̀yin ọlọ́pàá ṣé wọ́n ti dé ẹ máa wò wọ́n o wọ́n ti máa dé o àwọn èèyàn Adédoyin ti dé o àwọn èèyàn Adédoyin ti dé tẹ́ ẹ bá ti rí wọn ẹ máa bá ń fún ọ tán kò yé mi o mọ̀ bóyá ní forensic laboratory ni o àní ìkẹ́rújú o ẹ jẹ́ wọn máa sọ fún yín until tí a bá gbọ́ official presentation of the autopsy ni mo tó lè sọ̀rọ̀ nípa autopsy for now ntẹ́mi kan wà ní pé kò tiẹ̀ wá yé mi mọ́ àbú pathologist ti family gbà o tó bá ṣe pé tí ó jẹ́ kí òun àtàwọn ọmọ rẹ̀ ọmọ ríra wọn pẹ́ tíyàwó rẹ̀ ò ní dopó táwọn ẹbí rẹ̀ náà ò ní fojú sunkún rẹ̀ ní pé kó kúrò Nàìjíríà kó kọ́kọ́ mọ́ ẹ lọ ibi tó bá lè sinmi síná ayé rẹ̀ ò ní bàjẹ́ o kìnnì kan tó bá yọ oko jẹ́ ní jẹ́ pẹ́ o kó lọ sinmi ń bẹ̀ kó lọ jókòó ó wá lè mọ́ sẹ́ndì rìpọ́ọ̀tì fún wa láti ibẹ̀ káwa náà mọ́ kà ń bí o kọ́kọ́ lọ jókòó ò ní kú dànù ayé rẹ̀ ò ní bàjẹ́ àti wípé kéèsì gbóná ju tá à ń sọ lọ but now ẹ̀yin èèyàn mo ti pè yín rí kẹjẹ àjọ bú ọlọ́pàá bọ́lọ́pàá bá ṣe tó kù díẹ̀ káàtó lónìí mo fẹ́ pè yín kẹjẹ àjọ yin iléeṣẹ́ ọlọ́pàá orílẹ̀-èdè Nàìjíríà pàápàá jùlọ àwọn tí wọ́n ń ṣiṣẹ́ lọ́wọ́ lórí ọ̀rọ̀ Timothy l'Àbújá ẹ bá ń dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ wọn mo wá fẹ́ bẹ̀ yín wọ́n ti fẹ́ máa create sympathy fún Adédoyin against ọlọ́pàá wọ́n ń gbé ìròyìn káàkiri wípé despite àṣẹ ilé ẹjọ́ àwọn ọlọ́pàá ọ̀dálé ẹjọ́ lòun ò release Adédoyin clarification tí mo mú wálé ni pé ilé ẹjọ́ ò ní kọ́lọ́pàá release Adédoyin o tó bá ṣe pé àwọn ọlọ́pàá yẹn ti gbowó wọ́n ti compromise ni àwọn ọlọ́pàá tó ń ṣiṣẹ́ lọ́wọ́ l'Àbújá báyìí ó rọrùn fún wọn láti release Adédoyin báyìí kí wọ́n wá sá sí abẹ́ ìdájọ́ yẹn but they are not ready to compromise. They are ready to do their work diligently. They are doing that job with fear of God. They are waiting for the God to reward them. They are not ready to collect any ritual money from anybody. And they are not ready to bend for one stupid prayer. Wọ́n dúró, wọ́n release Adédoyin. Ẹ wá máa bá ń dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ wọn kẹ́sì máa bá ń ṣàdúrà fún wọn. Gbogbo ẹni tó bá wá mọ̀ wọ́n kó máa bá mi pè wọ́n. Ẹ máa pè wọ́n l'Àbújá àwọn ọlọ́pàá yẹn. Everybody tẹ́ bá mọ̀ pé ó ń ṣe ní police headquarters l'Àbújá. Ẹ wá bàbẹ̀ sí bá mi pè wọ́n báyìí. Ẹ máa ṣàdúrà fún wọn. Wọn ò ní fọwọ́ wọn gbọ́mọ sí. Wọn ò ní ṣìṣe. Wọn ò ní fòkú àwọn náà tẹ́lẹ̀ ọkọ̀ lọ lé. Wọn ò ní pa wọ́n dànù. Wọn ò ní sọ hòtẹ́ẹ̀lì dé sí bí hòtẹ́ẹ̀lì Adédoyin. Ẹ má bá ń ṣàdúrà fún wọn nítorí pé mo wà impressed. Mo wá rí pé àwọn press kan àwọn arábí ti fẹ́ lọ sá sí wọn lábẹ́ láti máa lọ create sympathy for Adédoyin. Why Adédoyin alone? Tá bá fẹ́ release Adédoyin kó present ọmọ rẹ̀. Tá bá fẹ́ àwọn ọlọ́pàá tí wọ́n release Adédoyin tí wọ́n rí lọ́ọ̀yà yẹn gan tí ń gbé Adédoyin káàkiri tí ń lọ ilé ẹjọ́ ó lè mọ̀mọ̀ pé àwọn ọlọ́pàá ti rí débẹ̀. Ní táwọn ọlọ́pàá ti mọ̀ lórí kéèsì àwọn ọlọ́pàá tó wà l'Àbújá yẹn ní tí wọ́n ti mọ̀ lórí kéèsì ó súnmọ́ kí lọ́ọ̀yà yẹn gan mọ̀ tí ì mọ̀. Ǹjẹ́ yìí mọ̀ dí tí wọ́n fi wá ń sáré kí pé kán sá release Adédoyin by fire by force? Ó lè má jẹ́ torí ara rẹ̀ tí ọ̀yá tí wọ́n sọ. Ó lè jẹ́ láti cover àwọn nǹkan kan. Ó lè jẹ́ àwọn ìlẹ̀kùn kan l'Adédoyin fúnra rẹ̀ lè wọ̀ láìkàn. Ṣùgbọ́n tó yẹ pé àwọn èèyàn tí ń rán bẹ̀ pẹ̀lú ibi tó wà yẹn wọn ò rí lẹ̀kùn yẹn kàn débi pé wọ́n ó ṣí lẹ̀kùn fún wọn. Ó lè jẹ́ àwọn bọ́tì kan l'Adédoyin gbọ́dọ̀ tẹ̀ fúnra rẹ̀. Ṣùgbọ́n tó rán èèyàn lọ pẹ̀lú ibi tí ẹ̀ tí mọ́ tí ò láǹfààní àti kànlẹ̀kùn yẹn tó wá jẹ́ kí gbogbo nǹkan kó yíwọ́ kó máa lé kókókó. Ó lè jẹ́ wípé wọ́n rí pé gbogbo iṣẹ́ ìwádìí tó ẹ̀ wọ́n ṣe lórí ọ̀rọ̀ yìí wọ́n ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ bẹ̀rẹ̀ àṣírí fẹ́ máa tú kó wá tó di pé gbogbo ayé ọ̀gbọ́ rìsọ́ọ̀tì autopsy k'Adédoyin ó ti bọ́ta kẹ́ni ẹlẹ́ni ó ti júbà ehoro ká tó máa gbọ́ rìsọ́ọ̀tì autopsy àti investigation àwọn ọlọ́pàá lórí CCTV lórí call log àti lórí nǹkan míì tó súnmọ́ káwọn ọmọ tí wọ́n tì mọ́lé ó ti sọ táwa ò tí ì gbọ́. Ó súnmọ́ pé wọ́n fẹ́ kó jáde kí gbogbo eléwo tó hàn sáwọn èèyàn ni. So mo fi gbogbo ẹnu sọ fún yín o, ilé ẹjọ́ ò ní kí wọ́n fi Adédoyin lẹ̀ o, àti lílọ kìíní àti lílọ kejì wọ́n sì ti sún ìgbẹ́jọ́ sí oṣù kìíní àbóṣù kejì. Ó dà pé wọ́n sá ti sún let me put it this way wọ́n ti to be at safer side ibi náà mo ti tẹ̀ sí mi lè rí wò báyìí wọ́n ti sún ìgbẹ́jọ́ di ọdún tó ń bọ̀. B'Adédoyin ọba kú òǹbẹ̀hún ó di 2022 ibi tí ó ti ṣe happy new year lọ́wọ́ àwọn tá a bá ti ń happy new year chọ́ọ̀chì tá a happy new year mọ́sálásí ibi tí ó ti ṣe happy new year lọ́wọ́ àwọn ó sì súnmọ́ kọ́ ẹ pé bàbá ti ṣe happy new year táwọn ẹbí Timothy bú ẹkún pọ́mọ àwọn ọ̀bá wọn sọdún yìí iná ní gbogbo àṣírí tó kù ìní ọ̀padà tú. So ẹjọ́ torí Ọlọ́run ẹ máa bá mi ṣàdúrà fún àwọn ọlọ́pàá tí wọ́n ń ṣiṣẹ́ lọ́wọ́ lórí ikú Timothy l'Àbújá. Ẹ ṣé mo dúpẹ́ o, 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 nǹkan yóò ní bàjẹ́ o. Ẹ dákun sà tó bá jẹ́ pé result autopsy yẹn táwọn fámìlì Timothy bá ní àwọn ò gbà wọlé ẹ béèrè kí wọ́n fẹ́ tó ẹ pín láwọn fẹ́ kán fly out ni inú owó táwọn èèyàn dá fún ìyàwó Timothy àtẹ̀bí Timothy ń jò ní àní mú kọ́bọ̀ ń bẹ̀. Mo fi gbogbo ẹnu sọ fún yín okay on the 12th ẹ ṣeun o wọ́n send date mi bì mi tó rí mọ́ o mi rí mọ́ ní ọ̀hún fóònù inú owó tí wọ́n dá fún Timothy wọ́n dá fún family Timothy àní mú kọ́bọ̀ ń bẹ̀ lágbára Ọlọ́run tó bá ṣe wípé February 21 àti February 22 kì í tún ṣe January gan February ni ọjọ́ kọkànlélógún àti ọjọ́ kejìlélógún oṣù kejì ìní wọn ò tún tó jókòó ní ẹjọ́ lágbára Ọlọ́run àwọn àṣírí gbàǹgbàǹgbà kẹrẹmọ rẹbìtì oh God kábìtì yóò ti tú by that time lágbára Ọlọ́run. Tó bá wá jẹ́ wípé wọ́n láwọn fẹ́ kí wọ́n gbé òkú Timothy travel out láti mọ tó ṣe ni tán bá wà convinced tán bá gbà pẹ̀lú result tó jáde torí pé mo rò pé lábẹ́ òfin wọ́n láṣẹ láti sọ pé àwọn ò gbà tán bá láwọn ò gbà lábẹ́ òfin tí iléeṣẹ́ ọlọ́pàá ẹ̀kú lè kówó lẹ̀ kí wọ́n fi gbé lọ. Èmi fi gbogbo ẹnu sọ fún yín pé àní mú kọ́bọ̀ inú owó tá a ti dá fáwọn ẹbí wọn. Èmi kò léwájú nígbà ń bá kọ́kọ́ sọ tèmi fi ilẹ̀ nítorí pé gbogbo ọmọ Nàìjíríà láti bá a dá sí i. Mo dẹ̀ ń sọ fún yín kódà kó jẹ́ 20 million kọjá àtowó gbogbo ẹ̀ àtowó tí wọ́n fi gbé àtowó tí wọ́n fi ṣe lọ́hùn kó jẹ́ 20 million naira. Mo fi gbogbo ẹnu sọ fún yín pé kò ní tó ọ̀sẹ̀ kan tí ó fi pé ní agbára Ọlọ́run kò ní tó ọ̀sẹ̀ kan tí ó fi pé ẹ dákun torí Ọlọ́run ẹ dákun ẹ tẹ̀síwájú Ọlọ́run ó fi sẹ́yìn yín o gbogbo sympathy tán fẹ́ máa create f'Adédoyin against the Nigerian police force yes wọ́n fẹ́ máa create sympathy f'Adédoyin against the Nigerian police force wọ́n fẹ́ sọ di ọ̀rọ̀ DSS àti Sunday Igboho wọ́n ti gbàgbé pé Sunday Igboho yàtọ̀ sí Timothy ó yàtọ̀ sí Adédoyin wọ́n ti gbàgbé pé tí Sunday Igboho gbé lọ́wọ́ ó yàtọ̀ sí Adédoyin gbé lọ́wọ́ wọ́n ti gbàgbé pọ̀rọ̀ yẹn ò jọra wọn rárá wọ́n fẹ́ máa create sympathy kò jọ rárá so ẹjọ́ torí Ọlọ́run ẹjọ́ torí Ọlọ́run ẹjọ́ torí Ọlọ́run ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa ẹ má jà support wọn o tí n bá tún ti rí strategy wọn tí wọ́n ń gbé jáde máa jẹ́ kẹ́ ẹ máa gbọ́ they have started dealing with me directly and indirectly yes but èmi fi gbogbo ẹnu sọ wípé one with God is majority one with God is majority láàrin èmi àti wọn wàláhì àṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ bẹ̀rẹ̀ ni kò ní sú mi kò ní rẹ̀ mí títí tá a fi rí ìdájọ́ òdodo I am ready for them 100%. I'm ready for them. I mean 100%. So ẹ̀jẹ̀ kan máa bọ̀ wá wọ́n bá wa ń bẹ̀ wọ́n ti pọ̀ tó torí Facebook ní torí gbogbo ẹ̀ ní online ní gbogbo ibi tá a ti rí wọn kọ́mẹ̀ntì wọn ní gbogbo propaganda gbogbo ìbanilórúkọ jẹ́ gbogbo ẹ̀ inú mi ń dùn gan mo appreciate ẹ̀ tí mo bá ṣerú nǹkan báyìí tí n bá rírú nǹkan bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn a jẹ́ pé Ọlọ́run ò tẹ́wọ́ gba ogun tí mò ń ṣe ni so thank you God bless you ẹ tún share rẹ̀ kí àwọn náà ò tún gbọ́ kí wọ́n mọ̀ ṣùgbọ́n ẹ bá mi pe iléeṣẹ́ ọlọ́pàá l'Àbújá tó bá mọ̀ wọ́n pé a dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ wọn o Ọlọ́run ó dúró tì wọ́n we really appreciate them bó ṣe ń lọ yìí à ń dúpẹ́ ẹnìkan ò dẹ̀ lè create stupid sympathy kan against wọn láti support ẹni tí wọ́n ń dì pẹ̀lú lọ́wọ́ ẹ sáà máa dì pẹ̀lú wọn lọ pẹ̀lú òdodo nílànà pẹ̀lú òfin orílẹ̀-èdè Nàìjíríà ẹ tako fi ó tọ́lá wa ti wò ìgbẹ́jọ́ ò ní ẹ túlẹ̀ ìgbẹ́jọ́ ní kó gbà tọ́jú ni òjò báyìí lọ àtúnbọ̀ tá a bá tún ti rí wọn àtúnbọ̀ torí pé ìwà wọn láàfin mọ̀ wọ́n ìṣe wọn lọ́lọ́run ó sì fi dá wọn lẹ́jọ́ Oríyọmí Hamzat lórúkọ mi ẹ ṣeun.